So I'm going to create a new package, JUnit programs. So JUnit programs are normal Java classes you can create and you will annotate them, right? You will annotate them. So I'm going to write HerokuApp test. So this is the class I created, but we have to create a thread. So before all, so public static void setup. So this is the setup, or I will just put launch browser. So the method name I am giving for the my before all annotation. So add JUnit 5. Okay, we need to add first JUnit, right, in the form.xml. Let's go and add a dependency. So there is no JUnit, right? So let's add JUnit. So how to add? First thing you have to add JUnit. MN repository.com. That's the first thing. Jupyter JUnit. See, you can use Jupyter JUnit API. So let's take this. See 5.13 dot. You can take this and paste it here. See, you will get like this. If any new dependency comes, so you added, it is not present in this external libraries, then you will get like this. Click on this and download that. We are downloading this JUnit. See, that is gone. So all indexing, that means it is downloaded. See, scope. Scope tells that it is a test scope. That means it is used for testing. So now your external library, this is available. Now go here, see mouse over, then you will get an import class. If the dependencies are present, so you will get automatically. See, arg.jn.jupyter.api before all. So the first thing you need to do here is declare WebDriver as a global variable. Driver as a global variable. So this is the first variable, global variable you need to declare. And second thing, so private static WebDriver wait, and you can just write all the code. Okay, so write what code we need, we already know, right? So this is all the code. So this entire thing. So till this one, browser launching, the only application launching we are doing. But yeah, before this, I just want to do this Chrome driver instead of H. So import the class, maximize add implicit weight. So driver dot minus method dot timeout method dot implicit weight of duration dot options. 10 seconds I'm giving. Next you can add so the website we are going to do is HerokuApp website. Internet HerokuApp. So this is the website. I want to click on form authentication. So this is the one. Okay. Form authentication. This is the website I need to use. So let's open this. And also I want a WebDriver weight, right? Weight equal to, because why I am using weight variable, I already declared here, weight variable. And I'm calling here and a new WebDriver weight, driver comma, so duration dot of millis, 10,000 milliseconds I'm giving. 10,000 milliseconds. So next I will be checking whether this title, so or this title or this page title, the heading, this is the heading, right? So let's see what is that. So you can use selector sub also, the heading, class value. So I can use this, welcome to the internet. So we wait for the heading. Presence of
Present of element.
located by dot css selector. Just,
H1.
just a class value we are giving. You can do that. Then you click on this link, form authentication link. So you can use a link text and you can click on this form authentication link.
Driver dot final element byte of
Find element by dot
by dot
link text.
text method dot click
So
method dot click method.
so before this, you can check one more condition. So whether this link is clickable or not. Right? So you can just wait dot until expected conditions dot element to be
Present.
clickable.
Okay.
Element to be clickable, and I can pass the element. Whether this element is clickable or not, in clickable position or not, you can check that. So that is this method purpose. So if you don't want to use 2 times, what you can do on 2, right? You can just declare a web element. Yes, you can do that. This also you can reduce, right? So web element. That's how we can one variable you store and you can use it. Okay, so then but yeah, this is the one you are doing in the launch browser. Then so we have to do at the rate before each.
For each.
So before each is a non-static method. So setup, and I'll just check. Once you click on that, it will go to the next page, right? So this page URL, I'll wait for this page URL, okay? Wait dot until expected conditions dot URL contains. So, and then I can verify this page title. CSS selector I'm going to use. So read dot until expected conditions dot presence of element located by dot CSS selector. You can use CSS selector. Right? So we got that.
Test.
So at the rate test you can use directly now.
Test.
We can write at the rate test, first test. So maybe I want to do a positive test case, right? Log in with public void uh, login with valid credentials. Valid credentials test. So first, uh, I will identify this element. Maybe I'll put some this text verification also. If you so wait dot until maybe I can write here itself until expected conditions dot visibility of element located by dot CSS selector. You can write a simple print statement. Just logging with the startup. Now first identify this element. Say CSS selector I'm using. So web element username edit box. Exactly how to use the field name. So
Private dot final element. Y dot.
by dot CSS selector.
Selector.
That's it.
Username.
So then you clear the content first, okay? Clear the content in the edit box, username edit box. So
Private dot final element.
that clear method. Then you type the value. So how can you type send case method?
Select a key and value.
So this is the Tom Smith is the value. That's a username. Same you repeat for the password. Password edit box.
ID password.
Password. Okay. So just change the values. So what is the value? Super secret password. This is the value. Okay. After that, what we need to do? We need to click on
Check.
login button. So type submit. We
Class
can
ready.
use button submit. Release button, submit.
Pivot or final element. By dot CSS selected.
Yeah, let me use expert, okay? So double forward
Double
slash
slash
button tag
button
@type equal to submit.
submit. Dot click. Okay.
So once you click on that, let's give this and what is happening, observe this.
And
So you logged into a secure area. So this message should be seen. So this is the you can use a class or this one
fine.
you can use it. Flash you can use, flash access you can use. So I'll use this dot class. See div dot class. See one element is identifying. So you verify that. So wait for the success message.
Wait
Wait
dot until expected condition.
conditions.
Dot
Presence of element locator or visible.
element locator.
I'll use visibility of element locator. So by
Exactly
dot
means we want to check.
CSS selector. Yes, the one. Then get the message. So what is the message? You logged into a secure area. So I need to verify this message. I think contains we have to use it. Assert true I will use. Okay, there are assertions. So we are not using assertions. Let me use assertions. Okay. So assert dot assertion. Sorry, assertion dot assert true. So you are expecting not testing. Assertion class. Assertions class. Assert true. So you have to first get that message, right? You have to get this
Sir,
message.
assumption means what, sir, exactly? We want to check there.
So
True
what
or
you
false.
verify, this is the verification steps. So if
Okay.
you want to verify, I want to verify a message. I'm checking, I'm expecting, so this message should be present there. Whether it is
Yes,
there
yes.
or not, I want to check. So how can you check? You have to use this assertions. Assert to true. First get this message. String. So success message equal to success message text equal to driver dot find element by dot css selector and give this css selector value. Dot get text. So you got the string here. So you just give that contains exact text. You can give this. So there are a lot of spaces. I am ignoring all of them. This one. You are not. So if this returns true and this value is already true, then this statement will pass. If inside one returns false, so true or false is false only, then it will fail. So both should be true. So that is this assertions. There are assert equals also, right? Assert equals is there, assert true is there, assert false is there. So we can use these assertions. So mandatorily you need to include anywhere verification is there. Okay, I have done. So I came here and I see you can wait for the secure area. So I can verify the secure area. Okay. So I can write verify the secure area. Secure area subheading. First, before going for the assertions, let me get that value string. So
Administration.
secure area heading. Dot find element. So by dot css selector.
Select.
So you can copy this.
Dot get text.
Okay. Then so I'm going to use assertions. See assertions dot assert equals I'm using. Assert equals what it will do, you have to give exact two values. One is your expected and actual. So my actual is already I got it here. This is the actual, right? And expectation. What are you expecting? I'm expecting this message. Give this message. Okay. Any spaces are there, you just trim it. So if any spaces are there, trim method you call, so that you don't need to worry about the spaces. So this is how you will do. Then I need to click on this logout button. So then click on logout button. So you have a href, you have a class, any one you can use. So I can use button secondary radius. I'll use this a dot class. Click on logout button. So driver dot.
Driver dot final element by dot export.
Not final. Yo.
Find element, sir.
Find element. I heard final
By
element.
dot x, sir. Find element.
If you would say find element, I'm good. If you're saying final element, I'm not happy.
Click method.
See, all the spaces I removed and I put a dot.
Click
That's how to write a. So then it will go. See, you click on this. What will happen? It will go to normal. You logged out of the secure area. You should go to this place. Verify that also. So how to verify? So
Create dot
logged out text. So driver dot
final
mint by dot CSS selector same class access, right? But the message you need to pass is a different message. So div class access, div dot class success. Okay, dot get text. So guys, I hope you know get text what it will do.
yes, sir.
Assertion. Now I am asserting. Assertion dot assert equals logged text dot trim method, comma my expected value. So this is how you can do that. And then after that, I want to add at the rate
after each.
So I'll just do some cleanup. Public void tear down. So after test, I want to clean up something. So clear the cache. So driver dot manage method dot delete all cookies. So that's what I want here. After that, after all, So after all, what it will do? Public static void close driver. If driver is not null, okay. So driver dot quit. You need to call. So that's how your blocks are created in JUnit. JUnit and test engine both are similar. So before all will, so just basic, your one time it will execute, but this one will repeat for every test case before. So this is the test case, all the test steps you are writing. So let's run this program and see, run the entire test. Okay. Oh, username is invalid. I think some spaces are going on. Tom Smith. See, it is going. So it is looking for the.
Text exception.
So expected condition is failed. Waiting for the visibility of div flash access. It is not there. So let me see. So how to debug this? Which line it fails? See, timeout exception. Expected condition failed. Waiting for visibility of element. Flash access. Line number. Go to the line number. So this is your test case. Line number. So here it is failing. Because the login is not successful, that's why it failed that. So you have to find out here. See, Tom Smith, there is a spaces. That is the reason. So we should not give spaces. Okay, let's run this. Still failing. So where it is failing. So it is very clearly saying
Click create
there is a
to
assertion
send different.
error. Assertion is failing. Which line? How do you know? Line number 70.
70 until the section already.
There is this the space is there. That is the reason. Okay. Run this again. So like this you have to correct, run it. Assertion error. If both are not equal, it is going to fail. Still, you can see the differences. You logged out of the secure area. You logged out of the secure area. So what is extra here? This one, I think this tick mark we are not getting there. So I can do one thing. So instead of, so this, what I can do, I can use set true. Set true and contains dot contains this text. So that automatically you won't get any difference also. So let's execute now. This is how you need to solve. If you know exact values, you can do that. If you don't know exact values, no need. See, test case passed. 1 of 1 is successfully passed. So this is how we will get a number of test case passed, failed also. Okay, but yeah. So is this the one test case? This is the positive test case. So there are so many negative test cases, right? Can you tell me what are the negative test cases for this? Login phase. Hmm?
L
Hmm. Bad.
element seller.
Basic, this is the basic test cases.
Login credential
Element
wrong is the
Hmm?
username password.
Scenarios, tell me the scenarios. I want scenarios. What scenarios? One I automated here. One I automated. What is this? Login with a valid credential test. So what are the other scenarios?
Valid.
password name is different and name different ones.
ఇది వ్యాలిడ్ అది అన్వాలిడ్
Hmm?
మన వ్యాలిడ్ టెస్ట్ కేసు ఒకటి అన్వాలిడ్గా వస్తుంది నెగిటివ్ అంటే wrong
English,
password.
we're talking in Telugu.
Sorry. And where
You
in we
also
are
know contaminated with the AP culture.
no.
We are entering into the IT world. IT world, if you talk in Telugu, so doesn't help you.